See, we need to turn your name to sleeping sickness. So. What's this now? What was that? No!
Funny, huh?
Nemesis, I guess. Maybe one of those guys she usually collect transport fare from has come hunting her dream. Oh! Oh, sorry. It's okay. Okay, we need to go now.
Go where?
Pack up.
Go where?
To the hostel, of course.
Now you have your answers. Please, in your life again, don't try to shout like that before you give me hypertension. Drama queen, you just like drama.
Pack up. Should I come and help you?
You play too much during the day. Midnight, it's not shouting.
You have to wait for me.
Try that nonsense again.
Of course, ma. See, I have been trying my best to put them in check about that.
Maybe your best is not good enough. Chike, I've gotten countless reports about senior students bullying the junior ones and threatening to make life hell for them if they by any chance report this issue to the authority. What would you say about that?
Ma, I'm aware of that. Yes, I'm aware.
Very soon, a well-connected parent will be asking for our head if any of their word becomes victim.
Ma, trust me on this. In fact, believe me, trust me on this. I am going to get to the root of that. Just believe me, ma.
As you are on that, how is the preparation for the national debate going?
Oh, ma, I assure you, we are so ready to take the bull by the horn.
Really?
Yes.
That's nice. I want nothing but top results.
Top result you shall get.
Good.
Just trust me on that.
It's all right.
Yes.
See ya.
It's all right, ma.
Dirty pigs. Look, will you remove that nonsense from your mouth before I choke you this thing? Are you stupid?
Junior the chewing.
Hey, these girls don't get respect again. No. So wait, we are standing here, you're chewing gum. Are you mad? Sorry. Are you, who say sorry? Are you possessed? Eh? My friend, bring that money.
Senior, I don't have any money. My mother has not given me my pocket money. She traveled.
Oh, wow.
Liar! So you have the guts to lie before me, before our faces. Eh? Give me your hand.
Flog her well now. What is that? Flog her.
How many? 2. Oh, yeah. Be fast now. Don't waste my time. This one. Is it not the possessed one? Give me your hand. Give me. Nonsense. Oh, see, girls. We're supposed to take these girls them to hostel or make them pick pin.
Or even sit on water till the next morning. You, give me that bag. Guys, remove it. Give me the bag. We are going to search your back today.
Teacher Chiki, stand up. Oya, smile. Clear your leg. Clear. Are you okay?
What are you waiting for?
Get out.
Who's in our, is it coming in our direction? Why is he not looking our way?
It's coming this way. This way.
You know, that our literature was very tedious, but I enjoyed the class. Yes, I enjoyed it. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What are you girls doing outside the class?
Nothing, sir. We're just enjoying our afternoon.
Yes, and discussing our next class, sir.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are done with our classes for the day.
Oh. Wait, you are done with your classes for the day?
Yes, sir.
You need to read your books.
Yes, exactly, sir.
You know, students in exam class, You girls need to make your books your best friend.
Friends. Yes, sir.
Huh? Remember.
There's always vacancy at the top.
Good. Remember.
There's always vacancy at the top. So we understand, and we will always remember. You know, now that's what we talk about. Our books.
You're welcome there. I saw two junior students walked out from here.
Oh, okay. We are trying to teach them their assignments. Yes, the assignment was too much on them.
Yes, we are trying to arrange their brains.
Yes.
I'm proud of you girls.
Thank you so much.
You know what our friends for? Teachers versus students.
Yes, sir.
Teacher versus student friendship.
Relationship. Yes,
relationship. I like that.
Thank you, sir.
You people are trying to arrange their brains.
Yes, sir.
I am proud of you. Seriously.
Thank you.
Just keep it up. We are not friends, so what are friends for?
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
This man is just wasabi man.
Know it all. Come, from whose mouth did that nonsense come out from?
Yes, sir.
Who is your wasabi?
One of the students. Oh, yes. That's that one that you know. I don't know if you saw the one that was kneeling down here.
Because I was. I thought that your wasabi is for me.
No, how?
Because how can you? I know that you girls are not idiots. No, and that kind of nonsense thing cannot come out from your mouth against me. I am proud of you girls. Remember,
there is vacancy at the top, sir. Thank you, sir.
To you girls.
Mr. Know-all.
This thing and exercise on somebody's body because it's not making any.
Thank you. I've been noticing something about her. She's always neat and practically stays on her own. There's something about her.
Oh. Does anyone know her class?
How about we go find out? Hey, madam, come here. Madam, come back here. Hey, come back here.
What's that bell for?
I think school is over. But
where did she go to?
But she was just... Where are you? It's not possible.
See, come out from wherever you are hiding. If I find you, I'm going to use this cane on you. Oh, wait, oh. Did you find her?
I couldn't.
That girl is a witch. Yes, because how can that girl be stressing us? How?
Thing that is we didn't even see her face.
Don't worry, we will find her. She's always here. We will find her. And then you see this skin. Let's go. I want to drink garri and milk.
Every day,
yes, so surprising.
Come to life. Oh, come to life.
Little rats. You're lucky I didn't catch those other people. All of you would have lined up here like that. Every day, all of you be developing wings. Eh?
Wings when if you carry them go anywhere.
I can remember back in the days. We were still in your class.
Oh, I remember her well. As you see her tall like that, elegant. Nobody feel mess with them. I blame you.
So we look small, right? Where are the provisions? Provisions contribution now. Why are you?
I'm sorry, senior. I don't know it was my turn.
See this girl. So we are supposed to tell you it's your turn.
You are now lying. So what are we going to eat?
I wonder.
Is that how much you hate us? Do you want your seniors to starve and die?
I was busy with school assignment.
Aha!
So where is the assignment?
We will know the study.
Where is the assignment?
It's in my room.
Yeah, run. Go and bring it now!
discipline them well.
We've passed their stage, oh. Do you know what they did to us when we were in their stage? What was other senior lablets?
Oh yeah.
Down. Can't you see your seniors? Can you stand up to look at them?
Shift's back.
Stupid girl, I don't want to see this rubbish on your head. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you cut this nonsense before I will use something and stab your stomach. See, dirty idiot, you won't do that.
So I think she can't do it.
Rachel, it's like we have a scapegoat.
Yes, so. There's this idiot, Sabi book. Yeah, come here, make sure solve this thing for us.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you better make us pass.
Akada.
What? How long will you come back here?
I'm sorry.
These children don't get respect again.
So, which one do you want to do? We have variety.
This one don't get variety. She will do what we want her to do. She will solve maths. When she any subject we bring, she will do it. Madam, you know now. Let me go to sleep.
If you don't finish them, you go there at the morning. Even if you get class, we go lock you for inside this room. You go finish them.
I will finish it.
If you make us fail, you know me now. Wire. Don't for the calculator.
Chike.
Yes, ma'am.
This can't be the list of all our ex-students. Does it mean that...
Mama, the thing is that not everybody paid up. I'm telling you, not all the students are paid. See, ma, the way I'm seeing it, I think we are going to have multiple late entries. In fact, ma, all of them, in fact, almost all of them are giving different excuses. I'm telling you. The thing is just, it's
what excuses could they possibly give? What? This is about their future.
Yeah, you don't know, all those urchins and...
Or do we write to their parents?
Wonderful idea, ma. I'm telling you. Wonderful idea if you ask me.
We have 150 students. All I see here is 80. How?
Oh, sorry, ma. I forgot to tell you. So sorry. More than that, ma. Yes, I still have an updated list. Yes, so sorry that I'm telling you.
Chike, and you allow me worry my head for nothing.
The thing is that too many things are happening at the same time. These students are really giving me headache. Some of them are idiots, some of them are very stupid, some of them are...
Enough! Just go ahead and update all of them. Let's know where our problem lies.
No problem, ma. I am on it, seriously. You know, most of these students are stupid. Some of them are idiots. I'm telling you. Don't worry, ma. I look at... you're talking to me as if I'm your slave. Don't fire you, the idiot. Can you imagine? Chike, your slave. Ta! Buffoon, idiot. Rubbish.
How are you? Miss you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Baby girl, I hope you have not been up to any mischief. Yes. You better be honest with me.
Mischief. Mommy, I'm a very good girl. Everybody in this school knows that I am a very good girl. The most behaved student. You can ask them.
Really?
Yes.
You know, that's why I wanted you to come from home so that I can watch you.
I'm not a kid, Mom.
Really? You have to tell me that when you are 18. But as for now, take this. I know it will be enough for you till you finish the exams.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Ma.
Be a good girl. Always stay away from trouble.
Okay.
Right. Take care.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Bye.
Yeah. Why are you looking at me like that? Come here. Come back here. Hey! Hey! Where is she? There is a next time.
Are you not
Madam, am I
seeing?
talking?
Just here.
I will use time.
You not seeing?
I'm talking. I'm talking. I'm pushing you. Come on. Get down.
Why are you doing her like that? Don't do that, the chopper. You are doing as if it's easy to take.
No, now seniors are talking. Let her be doing like snail.
Are you blind?
Auntie, what is that? Why you point stand on me?
I don't understand.
Why you point stand on? Are you possessed? Are you? I'm talking
Why
to
is
you.
she not
Are you
frowning
stupid?
her
Are you
face?
stupid? Your mother did not teach you well.
Hey.
This is how
Yeah,
you
it's
sweep.
stubborn.
You sweep like this. Don't sweep like this. Will you go to husband's house tomorrow? Everything they will teach you. Jesus, this girl, are you stupid? I said, kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down.
Did she know that the position?
This guy is supposed. I don't know. One of them.
Her face, the way.
Raise, sir,
Pick all the particles.
Yeah, she's the one.
raise your hand now,
No
auntie.
wonder.
What is this?
So
What is this?
she don't know she's deliberately sweeping on us. So
Stand up, Pooh. Stand up, stand up. Close your eye. See, I knew that God brought me to this school to deliver Owanjis. That is why I'm here.
possess ones like her.
Yes, possess people like her.
Why is she not
I say
frowning her
stand
face?
well.
wonder.
Stand, kneel down well. Kneel down well. You will stay here today. Auntie, come back here.
What did you just do? What's that? What's that? Did you see that?
What did she do?
She did.
Carry
Did you see that?
Did you do that too? This girl no man.
Abi?
There's no
Collect
how
the
this girl
broom.
does not know a
Collect the
man.
broom.
Because that's why once they start following men like this, they disrespect the people that are older than them.
Abi?
Yes, am I talking to
Sweep
you? Come on, go
it.
and do what you're doing. This one is learning. This one is learning.
Finally! Run away. Osinbot.
Choma Junwo.
No, they dare not come close to this one. This one, she broke a new record. Do you know the stress that we have gone through because we're looking for you?
Sorry, can I help you with something?
It's so English.
Grammar. Like, it's not even enough to talk to her seniors while sitting. Can you imagine the disrespect?
What do we do to disrespectful children?
Wire.
We use our king and we teach them a lesson. Oya, get up.
Oya, this way.
Wait.
Hey!
Wait.
Did someone just leave or is her soul still here?
No.
Walk out on us.
No, I will not let this one. Come back.
Can you imagine? See this girl, oh.
Come back here. Come back here.
You can imagine this girl.
Hey! I will flog this girl. You, I will flog the demon out of your body. You think you are a bunch here? I will tell you that you have private. Come back.
Can you imagine this girl? Hey! Are you crazy? Your seniors are talking to you and you're working out on us. Are you mad?
You see today, by the time I am done with you, anywhere you see a senior with long sleeve, you will run into the pit. Now kneel down.
Please, I don't want any problem. I just want to be on my own. Let me be.
Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you mad? Hey.
What's that?
Which kind of film be this?
Actress. Come on, my friend, stand up from there.
She wants to run away from our flogging, but it will not work.
We'll flog her.
Hey! Wipe this girl one first, make she stand.
Take, wipe her. If I use anger and wipe her, she will not like this. She will not like the kind of thing.
Bless this girl and Amok will give him this wire. What is this now?
What is this? Oh, something's happening here.
Huh? No way.
What is it?
She's dead though.
Medical doctor. How can you say she's dead? Is that how people die?
My friend, lift this girl up.
Auntie, stand up from there.
Ha.
Why is she not beating?
Ha.
Hey.
Hey.
Why is she not beating? Hey. Ha. Hey!
What's going on here? I don't understand. Oh, what is...
What have we done?
You are who? See, let me tell you. You see, my spirit is very strong. This morning I woke up. Mama said, don't do anything. Did you see me touch her? I didn't touch her. We agreed that we will flog her. Why did you slap her?
So it's my slap that killed her now?
No, it is our presence that killed her. See, let me tell you something, I am not doing this rubbish with you people. I am not, see, you people not drag me to this rubbish.
Rachel! I don't even know what you guys are doing. We are in this together. If I go to prison, both of you are coming with me.
Are you crazy? Are you mad? Wait, because we are doing friendship, you think you can come and talk to me anyhow? I will slap you. What is your own? Did I touch her?
No.
See, let me tell you something. We all agreed to flog her. You came here and you beat her. She fell to the...
So it's my hand that killed her now?
No, it is our presence that killed her.
Somebody is looking for who will kill her.
You are mad. Listen, let
here?
me tell you something. They will take her to autopsy. Autopsy will review if they saw my fingerprint on her body. Your fingerprint is there. This one is there. Did I touch?
Stop! What do we do?
This now. This is a serious case, so we just have to put this girl under the ground. We have to bury her. Yes.
Me, I'm not doing this thing, no. I'm not doing this thing. I'm not doing this one, no. This is too much of problem. You want to put her? I'm not doing it.
Because we don't even like her. We plan to flog her.
We don't like her doesn't mean you should kill her. A whole human being, that's who you killed. Me, I'm not doing this thing, no.
She's right. We'll have to bury her to calm the situation.
Let's bury her, please. Let's go and get shovel. What do we do? Let's go and get shovel.
We are going to water you keep and you push. Now let's go. I told you people.
What's going on here?
Have I lost my sight?
She was...
Wait, you slapped her?
Yes.
She fell here. We came like this. We ran.
What is...
My daughter, what is it? Why are you screaming?
Did you have a nightmare?
Talk to mommy and daddy.
I was falling into a pit.
Pit?
And,
God forbid.
And no one was coming for me. Daddy came, but he let me fall into the pit.
Hi! It can never happen to you. Nothing like that will happen to my daughter. Nothing like that will happen to you, okay? You know what? It's just a dream.
That pit, my dear, is not for you.
Amen.
I will always take care of you as a father. You see that plan the devil has to frustrate your life? We go back to the sender in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
Sorry.
It's okay, my daughter.
Sorry,
you know
just
what? You have
sleep,
to go
okay?
back to sleep.
No, I want to follow you.
It's okay. It's okay. You are fine now.
No, I want to go to you.
I've been waiting for a long time to see the light shine on me.
Why do you temper with your work fee? No. Don't you have a good future for yourself?
I'm sorry, sir. It wasn't intentional. My friend made me do it.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? I am sorry, sir. It wasn't my intention. My friend. Yes? What about you? Wait, look at your name. Debtors. Joy Obonne. Come, what is this O for?
Abo.
Abo. What is Abo? Oh, it's Onoshi, idiot. Yes.
Sir, things are hard. We are still struggling to gather the money, sir.
Things are hard. You are still struggling to gather the money. Listen. I am giving you from now till tomorrow. If you fail to pay your fee, I will gather you and send you out of out of this school. Idiot. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you are a baby, still suckling. My friend made me. You allow your friend to mislead you into temperate. Oh, I am ashamed of yourself. I am ashamed of you. Hey, come, sit down on chair. What is?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? Good afternoon, sir. What's your work fee?
I'm not owing.
Huh? You are not owing. What is this? Is it not Sarah on a chair? Hello? Not only yourself, you and your co-travelers, Ugoma and Rachel. What? Am I not talking to you? Sarah! Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Sir, how can I get the money for you? No.
Don't waste my precious time. Idiot. Yes.
You know what to do, Ugoma. Confess or bear the consequences.
Are you alright? I'm fine.
I've been wallowing in this dark place. Been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret will come to life. Oh.
How are you?
What's going on here? What's the problem?
What is the problem? Why are you shouting like that?
I saw her here. She was standing right here. I saw that girl here. She was standing here.
Who?
She was right here. Don't come close.
Who did you see?
Lucy. She was right here. She was standing here.
No.
She looked at me and she even asked me, how are you?
It might be your imagination.
Are you sure? Are you mad? I am telling you that I saw her standing here. You're telling me right here.
It's okay. Stop shouting. Somebody might be outside listening.
Sarah is right. The person playing games with us might be outside watching us get scared.
Okay, I am going to play a fast one on that person because I am going to the principal's office right now and I'm going to report to her because I cannot do this rubbish show. No, this girl cannot give me sleeplessness because of this nonsense. I will not agree.
And say what exactly? Dear principal, we bullied the students and we hit her and she died.
Are you mad? Who is we? You and who? See, let me warn you. You know you have been saying this rubbish. Do not involve me in this mess. If it was money that we saw that day on the floor, you will claim that you saw it alone. Now it is because you have killed somebody, you want to rope me in. Don't put me, I'm not your mate. I am not your mate.
At least we can come out clean.
Then do what? Then go to jail? Then go to prison? For what? I cannot go to jail. I am not ready to suffer yet. I still have a life ahead of me. So please, Rachel, you have to calm down. I don't know what you saw. Maybe you're hallucinating. You did not see any ghost. Who knows? I ghost even real. Huh? Please, let's stop this. Let's keep quiet. Shh. What is it? She forgot.
Yes? I am waiting for your answers.
So we've answered you now. We already did that time.
Exam is in few weeks. We need to read.
Yes, sir. And by that time, it's usually quiet for us to study.
It's alright. Yes. I noticed a junior student already dressed for school as early as 3 a.m. Though I did not see her face. Yes? Who could she be?
No idea, sir.
No idea, sir.
No idea, sir.
Sir? Sir, I don't know. I have no idea. We're just trying to read our book.
Oh, you don't know? You have no idea? Yes?
I have no idea, sir.
You have no idea?
Yes, sir.
You have no idea too? Shut up! I know that you want to say no idea! No idea, yes?
Yeah, I don't have an idea.
No idea too? There's no need. Don't say anything. No. I know it's no idea. Idiot! What is this now? Oh, was it because one person just mentioned no idea? Then all of you now chorus it, no idea, no idea. No idea. It's alright. No idea. Even you, no idea. No idea. You are telling me you are reading a book, no idea. You concluded it with no idea. It's alright. You know what? See you guys tomorrow. No idea. No idea.
Mr. Chike solved that girl. He cannot be mistaken. He can't mistake her for someone else.
Maybe it's another junior student.
How? In school uniform? At 3 a.m.? Oh, please spare me that. He must have seen her.
That's the girl. That's the student. What I am confused about is why she keeps hiding. Why doesn't she want to come out in plain sight? Listen, if you ask me, I would suggest that we go there and just confess. At least to come out clean.
To what end?
Peace of mind, though. Exactly. Peace of mind. Look, I'm losing it. I'm no longer in the right frame of mind. See, girls, with the way things are going, I doubt if I can concentrate and sit for our upcoming exams.
Okay, that's it. I am going to the principal's office.
Vigil! Vigil, oh. Sarah!
Like a nice stone, she wants to be heard from the shadows.
Vigil, stop!
Are you stupid?
What is wrong with you? Do you want to get us into trouble?
That's what I am going to do right now. Because can't you see that we are losing our sanity?
This is just because of our active imagination. There is no law that says we should believe what we saw.
I cannot forget her scary face and eyes. Oh.
Exactly. I have had it up to here. And that's why I'm going to walk down that hall and I'm going to the principal's office to report this thing. I will not be tortured anymore. Not again. Stop! I am going to confess.
I heard you correctly. Confess what exactly?
Sir?
Ma?
Okay, sir.
Don't play with me. You girls don't joke with me. Okay. Was it because I have been so lenient with you guys, you want to take me for a ride?
No,
somebody should start talking right now. I don't have no time here.
I will talk, sir. Stop blinking at me. Would you leave me alone?
Hey. See, if I slap you, this your face will change color. Are you mad? Idiot!
Yes, sir.
Start talking.
Okay, sir. Sir, Sarah killed a junior student. She hit her in the head and she fell down and died. She asked us to go get shovel. I did not agree. I did not agree. I just followed them so I can see what they are doing. But when we returned there, we could not find the body anymore.
Are you serious?
Sir, we are all in this together.
You and who?
We are here together. We were here.
What's that your name? What's that your name? If I give you back, if I give you this hand, are you mad?
No, sir.
Wait, let me understand what you just said, that if I can understand it correctly. You girls beat up a junior student to an unconsciousness.
No.
Shut up, because you girls are the same thing. Co-travelers. You beat up a junior student to unconsciousness or to death, according to what you said.
Let me explain.
You don't need to explain again. And then you people ran away. They went back and you did not see her body. Was not what you said?
No, sir. I said I don't like trouble. I asked them when they are doing all these things. I said I don't want trouble. Sarah said the girl was disrespectful to her, and then she hit her in the head and she fell down and died. And she went to bring shovel, but I followed her so I can see her finished plan. So she said
and died. You went back and you did not find the body. Was it not what you said? Are you bad? Don't joke with me. I am not that calm teacher that if you bring any beast in me, you will hate me. Sarah and both of you, all of you. In fact, let me laugh in Efik. Let me laugh at you girls in Efik. Yes.
Has there been any report of a missing student in this school?
Missing student? I don't think. But if there is any, the form teachers could have notified the vice principal. Let me understand. This girl, do you know her name?
No, sir.
You mean you've not seen this girl before in this school?
No, sir. How did you know students class have been going to come out?
Sit under that tree.
I've seen her before.
Let me get this in right. The only one way to find out is for you girls to go to the school yearbook. Probably search for the pictures to know if you see her. Let me ask again. If you see this girl in the picture, will you recognize her?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow me to the principal's office.
I'm sorry, please.
I don't want to hear anything. Follow me.
You hear her voice in the shadows. You feel the sound when the wind blows. Creeps in your heart, twist your mind, oh. She is the sight of the night. Walks here and there beyond the light, oh. It melts in your heart like an ice stone. She wants to be heard from the shadows. It touches your heart and you will. How you make me heart? It's the battle of the shadows. How you make me heart? You're riding in the light. Touches of the heart. You will feel the presence. How you make me heart? It's the battle from the shadows. How you make me heart? You're riding in the light. Touches of the heart. You will feel the presence. You hear her voice in the shadows. You feel the sound when the wind blows.
I am so cold. Lucy Williams was her name. And she was a student that went missing 3 years ago. Oh my God.
I can't believe that girl is a student of the school. Seeing her pictures in that office scares me the more.
But wait, does it mean we killed a ghost?
Stop.
Because if she died years ago, I mean she's already dead.
Stop it. My God. Life is fickle.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
What have we gotten ourselves into?
I have an important question for you girls. Are you sure? Are you serious when you said that the girl appeared to you?
Yes, sir.
Very sure.
Are you sure?
Yes,
We're
sir.
very
We're
sure,
very
sir.
sure.
She appears to us and she's always haunting us.
Yes,
We're very sure.
I've been wallowing in this dark place. Been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain. Tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret will come to life. Oh, will come to life. Oh.
So you wish the case should be reopened?
Yes. I couldn't sleep all night. 3 years ago, she disappeared and no one confirmed seeing her anywhere. Well, apart from the students reporting seeing her around the hostel or under the tree reading.
But we investigated properly.
You think so?
Yes.
Maybe we should retrace our footsteps. Now, why should 3 senior bullies believe they beat a girl who disappeared 3 years ago to death? A girl that was presumed missing even before they were admitted into the school. How did you say that?
Can I speak to the girls?
their names, class. Please, detective. The reputation of this school is my utmost concern. Please, we should look into that now.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
If you will excuse me.
I've been wallowing in this dark place. Been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, can I help you? Good afternoon, my dear. How are you? Yes. Can I
Oh,
help
yes. My name is Detective Emeka. And I was directed there by the principal.
Oh, Detective Emeka. Yes. You're welcome. So, how may we help you?
Well, I need to have a word with the students.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Fine. No problem. You know what? All right. You need to have a word with the student. Okay. Come.
Sir, this was where she was seated before she got hungry. So she now had to move like this.
Any other thing?
Yes. On that fateful day, we asked her a question. Then she said she doesn't want any problem. That's it.
She then walked out on us.
Yes, sir, and because she was angry at her, we now had to follow this way.
What direction did she take?
This way. This way.
Okay.
We last saw her here, sir.
Yes, that's
this spot.
This was where we slapped her and she died.
Who is we? This is where you slapped her and she died. Just stop, please don't.
That will be all. You can go back to your classroom now.
Thank you, sir.
I can take it up from here.
Okay, sir. See, don't try that nonsense again in your life. Which one is we? Which one is we? It's the policeman. What did you use?
Feel the sun when the wind blows. Grips in your heart, twisting my soul. She is the sight of the heart. Walks here and there beyond the light. It melts in your heart like an ice stone. She wants to be heard.
Who's that? Oh, detective. You are here?
Yes. You know the drill. Just poking around.
Oh.
Who lives here?
That should be Henry, the social studies teacher, double as the school guardians and counselor.
Oh. Okay.
Yes. He is on leave actually. His wife just delivered. You know.
He has been here for long?
Yes, too many of us have been here for years. Except Ada, who just got married and relocated to abroad.
You enjoy teaching?
My best career. Against my parents' wish, who wanted me to join the family business.
I see.
Yes.
Do you have any idea if the missing girl has been in this apartment for long?
Yes. She was there. She was friends to all the teachers, but Henry was her favorite.
So where can I find this Henry?
I can help you with his phone numbers.
Oh, that's good. That will be quite helpful.
Expelled for bullying other students? Is that what you did? What kind of example are you setting out for your siblings? Eh?
We trusted you, Rachel. We trusted you. Why? Why?
I'm sorry now.
You're sorry?
Daddy, please.
Don't daddy me, Rachel. Don't! Your mother and I did very well. Your job was to go to school and come out with flying colors. Not to go about bullying other students and making life uncomfortable for them. What's your problem?
Honey, you know what? We are going to make a decision. And the decision will be that this girl will write her exams from home.
That's fine.
Don't even look at me. Don't even plead, because that is final. You are writing your final exams from home before you put us into much trouble.
Nonsense. Honey, you remember I had that premonition?
My dear, thank God we prayed.
Look at her.
Thank God we prayed.
Nonsense.
Mommy, did you have to say that in front of them? My friend, shut up your mouth. Shut up, stupid girl.
Mommy, if I don't write from school, I will fail.
God.
I've been waiting for a long time to see the light shine on me. I've been wallowing in this dark place, been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret will come to life. Oh, will come to life. Oh.
Emeka, the world is a mystery.
What is this?
I want you to scan through the note I just handed over to you and see if you can read through the content.
It's barely visible.
Oh, come on. Quit whining and make it visible, Emeka.
I still cannot see anything.
All right then.
Well, let's go to work.
Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret.
Hello. Am I on to Mr. Henry? Good. My name is Detective Emeka from Homicide Department. Investigating the disappearance of Lucy Benita Williams. Do you really recall her? Hello, are you there? Well, I just want to ask you a few questions. Can we meet? Good, you are there? All right, I'm coming there right away.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Listen, my dear. Anytime you want to talk to someone, as in you are in need of anything, do not hesitate to alert the school authority. Alright?
Yes, sir. Sir, but I think the shock is wearing off.
Okay. Do you still see her?
No. Okay. Surprisingly, ever since we briefed up and spoke, we stopped seeing her.
Oh. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Like I said earlier, if you need to talk to someone, the school authority is ready to provide necessary support. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Just brave up, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I like that smile. Wow.
Detectives,
you are backing up the wrong tree here.
Why didn't you say that in your statement? That she visits your house for private lessons after school.
Who told you that?
Your colleague, of course. What's his name again? Teacher Chike.
Perverts.
You say what? Excuse me. I have to answer this call. Hello? Yes? Alright, send them to me. Send them to me.
It's about the note you instruct me to scan.
Okay.
It says, Lucy Benita Williams. But
what?
Emeka, there is another note attached to it. Creepy, if you ask.
A note? What note is that? What? Good afternoon.
Oh. Detective. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah. You made us well.
Thank you.
This your unscheduled visit. I hope you'll be able to talk to Teacher Henry. I pray he doesn't get mad at me for giving out his number without reaching out to him first. Most times.
Do you mean the other side of the story? Were you just blackmailing him?
I finally made it. I cleared all my papers. 8 straight.
Oh my God, are you serious?
What?
Come here! What? Yeah! You finally made it! Made it!
What are we celebrating?
Oh. Hey, Harry, strong man. Yes, yes, my little daughter here finally cleared all her papers.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. You know what I mean?
That'll be small to know.
We are going inside to pump.
I believe you. I believe you. A celebration.
Yes, celebrating and pumping wine.
Let's go. No time.
Wow. Lucy. Hey.
Lucy, why are you hiding?
What are you doing here?
I want to go and meet Kopachike. He really tried for me and I want to break the good news to him.
You better go back to the class. My hand no deal.
My hand no deal.
I've been waiting for a long time to see the light shine on me. I've been wallowing in this dark place, been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be
Lucy. How are you?
Good afternoon, Kopachike.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Sorry, I didn't see you coming.
I know. Please excuse us. I know you've been busy with whatever that you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Speaking of that, what are you doing?
So my assignments, mathematics, I followed the examples, but I still don't get the answers correctly. Yes.
Let me see. Oh. Now I see where you have made a mistake. Give me the Bible. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
If you add 4 to the 500,
Yes.
you minus this, you will arrive to this answer.
Oh, yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Good afternoon. Okay, give me.
What are you saying?
I don't mean anything, no.
Or blessing? Do you mean anything?
No, I don't mean anything, no.
Oh, but you said that I need to be careful of Copper Chike. Is it dangerous?
Ha, Lucy. How can you be asking Mumu question? Now let me ask you. Can you trust your yam with goats? Can you trust your fish with cats?
But what does that have to do with Copper Chike?
Maybe if you can answer this question, you must have solved the riddles. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. What are you doing with this smelling nonsense that smells of ogilogbe?
Pachike, they are my friends, so they are not smelling.
They are your friends, and you're not perceiving the nonsense. You're not perceiving ogilogbe. Are you serious? Please unfriend them before they contaminate you with nonsense odor. Are you ready? Are you ready for me?
Yes.
Go with me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ah, Lucy.
Sir?
Good afternoon to you too. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, thank you for helping out. I have 100%.
Are you serious? Oh, that's great. Well, wonderful.
Thank you.
You know what? You have to pay me for saving you.
So I don't have money.
Every time you don't have money, take this thing. See, let me tell you. There are too many ways to pay back kindness. You understand? Come here. I'm only joking. You are a JSS3, right?
Yes, sir.
Exam class. You know what? If you want, I can spare you 1 hour after school.
Really?
To teach you secrets about external exams.
Wow! I really love that. Mama promised to take me to Dubai if I make my junior WAEC.
Are you serious? Your mom promised to take you to Dubai?
Yes.
If you make your junior WAEC? Just consider yourself going to Dubai. I'm telling you. Come here.
Thank you, sir.
My friend, what is that? What is that? What kind of hug is that? My friend, give me a hug. Give me a wonderful hug. It's a hug between the teacher and the student. You will go to Dubai. I will make sure you pass the exam so as to go to Dubai.
Okay.
And you want it to start now, right? Lucy. Don't worry, you'll pass, alright?
Okay. Can we start right away?
Want it right now? There's no problem. Hey, that's good.
Uncle.
How are you?
Fine. Uncle, I passed.
You passed?
Your lesson helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
Oh, come here.
Uncle.
What's wrong?
Why? What are you doing?
You passed. Did you?
Yes.
So why don't you show some appreciation?
Uncle, I don't have any money. Maybe I'll ask my mother. I'll see you later.
Yeah, Alpha. I need you to do something for me.
What does he even think he knows? What does he know? What is he even thinking? That he will force out words from me? How? Because you are a detective, you think you can, interrogate somebody just like that? So that you will apprehend me and then be happy. Don't that fire you? They call you Detective Emeka. You think you can intimidate anybody you see? What does he know? Did he know how I came to become a teacher? What I passed through? The qualifications? And he's there speaking rubbish English, telling me with one nonsense piece of paper. That piece of paper is not enough evidence. I can deny it. I've seen someone that denied voice note, denied signature. Everyone knew that is his voice, but he denied it and the law specified it. And then the idiot is bringing nonsense piece of paper to. Is that enough? Thunder fire you there, Detective Emeka. You are not even a detective. In fact, if he comes here again to ask me question, boy, I don't. Bringing one nonsense piece of paper. I can deny it. There's no proof, no enough evidence.
Trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain.
My men and I went to her grave in the course of this investigation.
Detective, how did you know it was her grave that you saw? And how did you find it?
This case is a very difficult one, so we need thorough investigation. Now, while walking on her grave, we saw pieces of clothes, exactly the color of your school uniform.
Detective, don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. Is it her grave that you saw? Are you sure?
Calm down, because we saw something else. Someone's identification card.
Who?
Been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me in the sunshine.
Chike, tell me it's not true. Tell me that all they've said about you are all lies. Chike, explain to me what your ID card was doing in Lucy's grave. Chike!
He has refused to utter words since he came here. So I think I take him to station for more investigation.
Please do.
Chike, for how long have you been hiding this information from us? You see, he's not saying anything. So, I beg to take my leave. Now, move it. Move it!
Principal.
Don't even call my name there.
Mommy.
Get out! Leave! Come and take this thing.
My friend, move it!
Stop, take him. Go! Wicked soul. Oh. Chike. I entrusted those children with you. How could you betray me? How?
It is the devil's work.
Don't you dare accuse the devil! Now tell me, since when has this been happening? Is there any other student? Why Lucy of all students? You caused her poor parents more pain. How could you? How?
Ma, believe me. She... I didn't mean to hurt her. You understand? Come here. I'm only joking. You are in just yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Exam class. You know what? If you want, I can spare you 1 hour after school.
Really?
To teach you secrets about external exams.
Wow! I really love that. Mama promised to take me to Dubai if I make my junior work.
Are you serious? Your mom promised to take you to Dubai?
Yes.
If you make your junior WAEC, just consider yourself going to Dubai. I'm telling you. Come here.
Thank you, sir.
My friend, what is that? What is that? What kind of hug is that? My friend, give me a hug. Give me a wonderful hug. It's a hug between a teacher and a student. You will go to Dubai. I will make sure you pass the exam so as to go to Dubai.
Okay.
And you want it to start now, right? Lucy. Don't worry, you'll pass, alright?
Okay. Can we start, can we?
What you write down? There's no problem. Hey, that's good.
Uncle.
How are you?
Uncle, I passed.
You passed?
Your lesson helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
Oh, come here.
Uncle.
What's wrong?
Why? What are you doing?
You passed. Did you?
Yes.
So why don't you show some appreciation?
Uncle, I don't have any money. Maybe I'll ask my mother. I'll see you later.
Hurry. How far? I'm dead. I'm finished. I killed her. Lucy. She died in the afternoon. I don't know what to do. She's still in my room now. I don't know what to do. She died in the afternoon. This is that. I'm not off. No. Why would you talk about police now? Why would you talk about involving the police? Harry, when I called you with that 9-year-old girl, did I call the police? I sealed it. It's just you, between you and I. Nobody knew. So please, it's just you that I'm telling you. I'm just confused. I don't know what to do. That's why I called you to give me solution. Just tell me something. Hey, you don't know what to do. You don't know what to tell me. Jesus, you are my last one. You are my... Okay. I saved you, Henry. You are not telling me you don't know what to do. It's alright.
I've been waiting for a long time to see the light shine on me. I've been wallowing in this dark place, been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret will come to life. Oh, will come to life. Oh, I've been waiting for a long time to see the light shine on me. I've been wallowing in this dark place, been trying for someone to tell my story. I've been in pain, tears turn to rain. I believe that someday someone will hear me. When the sun shines, darkness will hide. Evil will hide its face from the light. When the sun shines, it will be the end of the night. Every dark secret will come to life. Oh, will come.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You will rot in jail, you wicked soul.
Hi. Chineke. Hi. You see.
Mommy, I called you here to let you know that I have finally agreed to go to school from home.
Really?
What changed? I saw that Lucy girl again.
Does it mean that girl is a ghost?
Mommy, stop now. No one can really tell. Do you know, I thought I died and woke up when I saw her again. Listen, Mommy, right now I can comfortably say no to bully.
Hope you have learned your lessons.
Lessons? I have learnt more than enough lessons. Right now, I don't even care if the junior students are doing anything. They can go ahead and misbehave for all I care. I don't want trouble.
Better. Please, I am thirsty. Go get me a cup of water, okay?
Mommy, my leg is paining.
Your leg is... You cannot get me water. You're afraid of this... Can't get me water! Look at this.
Mommy! Mommy, do you know that,
Still feels like a dream. At first, I thought we killed that junior student.
Unknown to us that she was a ghost.
The thought of that alone gives me creeps. Does it mean that our bullish attitude got to the realm of the spirit?
Kind of. You're reckless. If I could recall, I think she wanted us to see the bad side of being a bully.
Thank God our work is almost over. I can't wait to disappear from this scary event.
Disappear? I can't wait to fly.
Me too. What's the bell for?
I don't know, but everybody's going to the assembly ground. Come on, let's go.
Officers, I still don't understand how I've been arrested. I didn't commit any crime.
Holding back information from the police is a crime. At least you will get away from it after 3 years imprisonment.
He blackmailed me. I've told you that.
An anonymous tip would have saved us all this long story. And remember, from now henceforth, anything you do or say will be held against you in the court of law. Now move it. Move it!
Three years ago,